When I see the little world around me, my school and home, I feel protected, but further thinking made me realize that this protection comes at a price, my freedom. I know you have 3 girls that you need to educate, feed, and love, even though you seem to love us as much as you would if we were boys. I do not believe that entirely true, and can often notice it through the different restrictions put on our life. You have made us receive an education through which we realize that women are unfairly treated. And while you say this is for our security, I'm old enough to decipher that this is all about my gender. You dictate our life and force us to conform to your rules and your views, which are often stereotypical. Either my shorts are too short, or my pants are too tight, or my stomach peeked through my skirt. As I raised my hand, you point out everything wrong to demean me, and this makes sure that I follow every rule you set. I'm not allowed to go for adventure camps because there are boys? Seriously? You sent me to a co-ed school where I have literally been brought up along with them. If only I was a boy, I would be allowed to go. When I see my future, I think about becoming a lawyer, as this profession allows me to stand up for what I believe in. This freedom of expression is a mirage at home, wherein we all are made to feel free while curbing all our rights at the same time. Your sexist comments on the dining table often enrage me, and when I think about my life's goal, it would be to live in a world where both men and women are treated equally. Women are not treated equally in this society, no matter how hard they try. They are often ridiculed for even stand up in the first place. And as you know, I am not one to back down very easily. I believe that even if I change a person's mind as to appreciating women for the different roles they play as wife, mother, daughter, or sister, have been successful in life.
Creating awareness about gender is the need of the hour, and hence I stand committed to this cause by CSSG, to uphold the voices of our girls, expressing their aspirations, their dreams, and their plans, to inspire them, to wipe their tears, to give them the wings to soar. I stand by them and proudly proclaim, and still I rise.
You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may tread me in the very dirt, but still like dust, I'll rise.
Does my sassiness upset you? Why are you beset with gloom? 'Cause I walk like I've got oil wells pumping in my living room.
Just like moons and like suns, with the certainty of tides, just like hope springing high, still I'll rise.
Did you want to see me broken? Bowed head and lowered eyes, shoulders falling down like teardrops, weakened by my soulful cries.
Does my haughtiness offend you? Don't you take it awful hard, 'cause I laugh like I've got gold mines digging in my own backyard.
You may shoot me with your words, you may cut me with your eyes, you may kill me with your hatefulness, but still, like air, I'll rise.
Does my sexiness upset you? Does it come as a surprise that I dance like I've got diamonds at the meeting of my thighs?
Out of the huts of history's shame, I rise.
Up from a past that's rooted in pain, I rise.
I'm a black ocean, leaping and wide, welling and swelling I bear in the tide.
Leaving behind nights of terror and fear, I rise. Into a daybreak that's wondrously clear, I rise.
Bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave, I am the dream and the hope of the slave.
I rise.
I rise.
I rise.
Words express our thoughts and feelings, thus mirroring our inner being. When young girls voice their thoughts in open letters to the world, a plethora of opinions, attitudes, fears and hopes are released, and we stop to hear and heed.
मैं अपने लाइफ में एक मास्टर शेफ़ बनना चाहती हूँ, मतलब इंडिया का सबसे अच्छी शेफ़ बनना चाहती हूँ। लाइक कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो इस चीज़ों का सामना मुझे करना पड़ता है, बट मेरे अंदर हिम्मत है कि मैं कर सकती हूँ। मतलब कुछ लोग मेरे को बोलते हैं तुमने ये लाइन अच्छा चॉइस नहीं किया, बट मुझे लगता है कि मैं कर सकती हूँ।
मैं पुलिस ऑफिसर इसलिए बनना चाहती हूँ कि जो आजकल अत्याचार हो रही है लड़कियों के प्रति, लड़कियों को ही दोषी ठहराते हैं। अगर पुलिस वाले लड़कियों के भावना को समझे या उनको समझे कि नहीं, हमेशा लड़कियों की गलती नहीं होती है। कहीं पे भी देखो लड़कियों के, अगर लड़कियां रात को घर से बाहर जाती है, लेट आती है, तो हमेशा लड़कियों को कुछ हो जाते हैं तो बोलते हैं कि नहीं तुम्हारी गलती है, तुम ही गए थे बाहर इसीलिए तुम्हारी गलती है। पर ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, उसकी बातों को अच्छी तरह से समझना चाहिए।
They are young, vibrant and brave, and yet inhibited by their circumstances, striving to get a foothold in the journey called life.
सोसाइटी में बहुत बारी हुआ है कि इसको ऐसे क्यों भेजते हो, इधर क्यों भेजते हो, इधर मत भेजो, इतना क्यों पढ़ा रहे हो उसको, आगे इसको शादी कर लेगी फिर कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है तो इतना मत पढ़ाओ। ये मतलब घर वालों ने कभी ऐसा नहीं बोला, पर सोसाइटी वाले इतना सब कुछ बोलते हैं।
जब मैंने मतलब आवाज़ उठाना स्टार्ट किया कि नहीं मुझे पढ़ना है, तो कहने लगे नहीं तुम घर पे रहो, अदरवाइज़ तुम्हारी मतलब शादी करवा देंगे या कुछ भी, मतलब ऐसे टॉर्चर करते रहते थे कि हाँ तुम्हारी शादी करवा दिया जाएगा।
Will these footprints be ephemeral on the sands of time and washed away by adversity? Or will they create a blueprint to inspire others to walk the path?
जब तक हम गांव से या घर से बाहर आएंगे ही नहीं तो हमें पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि बाहर की दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है। तो चैलेंज ये था कि शुरू में तकलीफ़ हुई कि कहाँ आए हैं, कैसा काम है, कभी ऐसा काम किया नहीं है। तो फिर धीरे धीरे अब बहुत बदलाव आ गया ज़िंदगी में।
इतने साल तक सड़कों में रहने के बाद, इतने रात तक सड़कों में रही, मेरे माँ बाप नहीं थे, भाइयों ने सपोर्ट नहीं किया, लेकिन फिर भी एक अंदर से हिम्मत रहा कि मैं आगे जा सकती हूँ, आगे बढ़ सकती हूँ।
These letters are intended to create a framework for change by holding up a mirror to us to view the world as they see it.
जिन भी बच्चों के साथ मैं काम करूँगी मैं उनको ये बताऊँगी कि अब लड़का और लड़की में कोई अंतर तो नहीं है, मगर तुम्हें अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ खुद रिलेशनशिप बनानी है ऐसी कि नहीं हमें आगे बढ़ना है, और जो तुम्हारा अपना लक्ष्य है, जो तुमने अपने लिए तय किया है, ये नहीं कि मम्मी पापा ने हमारे लिए तय किया है, तुम्हें वो देखना है कि मुझे ये करना है अपनी तरफ से।
आजकल के ज़माने में ना लड़कियों को कम मत समझना ही नहीं चाहिए। अगर लड़का कुछ कर सकता है तो लड़की भी कुछ कर सकती है।
I was raised to believe in myself and to follow my dreams. That's what I'd like for all these girls, for them to rise to the full level of their potential.
मैं चाहती हूँ कि सब मतलब लड़कियों की बात सुने, ये नहीं कि हाँ अगर वो गलत हैं तब भी सुने, पर अगर वो सही है, कुछ अच्छा करना चाहते हैं तो उन पे मतलब दबाव ना डाले, उनको प्रोग्रेस करे कि हाँ वो तुम आगे बढ़ सकती हो, तुम ये चीज़ें कर सकते हो, और मतलब सपोर्ट करें।
But unfortunately, in what is basically a patriarchal society, socio-economic pressures have blurred their horizons and made them succumb to a minefield of conventions.
At my school days, they used to say that you can't play this game because you are a girl. Then we said, I asked my sports teacher why we can't play. They said you would not play this football with boys. They used to tease us that. Then we show them that we girls got together and show them that we also can play it.
Boys कहीं भी घूम रहे थे, but girls वो खेतों में काम कर रही थी, तो इतना नहीं होना चाहिए। पेरेंट्स को भी अगर वो बॉयज़ को इतना वो फ्रीडम दे रहे हैं कि वो जा सकते हैं, कहीं भी जा सकते हैं, पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं, तो उनको गर्ल्स को भी बोलना चाहिए।
What we need to do is to hold their hands and make them believe in themselves once again. Make them believe that their voices matter and collectively they can be the change they want to see in the world.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं हिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं
Leaving behind nights of terror and fear, I rise. Into a daybreak that's wondrously clear, I rise. Bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave. I am the dream and the hope of the slave. I rise, I rise, I rise.